Here's how I'm looking at the crypto market on the big picture. I think the most important two metrics to be looking at right now is the Bitcoin chart overlaid with the S&P 500, my purple line here. If you'll notice, something has happened over the last few weeks. There's been a decoupling of the S&P 500 and Bitcoin. The last time that happened was in June or over the summer of 2024. Which you can see right here over the summer of 2023, that is. 2023, the divergence here, the decoupling. Well, what actually ends up happening is that more times than not, Bitcoin and S&P 500 come back and they kiss and make up. Which is probably what Bitcoin's about to do, especially given the accommodating environment that is with the economy, the Federal Reserve, etc. Now, it's not going to last forever, but it is going to fuel, or you can kind of look at Bitcoin and the greater crypto market as having gone into the fuel station to fuel up for potentially for Bitcoin would be the final impulsive move up to cycle highs. But a major determining factor here would be the Russell 2000, which right now we've been at all-time highs, but we really need to close the daily candles this week if we really want to see just like fireworks above that 2,500 point. That daily body close would just kind of confirm the animal spirits on Wall Street and, of course, the rotational opportunity for liquidity to flow into the crypto or the greater crypto market. And here you have the total two, that is everything minus Bitcoin, consolidating at its previous all-time high range here. Again, in my opinion, my bias is bull, because this is going to be the refuel consolidation up into the next parabolic step-like formation. It's this chart, it's this direction, it's this pattern. Bitcoin has been following this for years now and is probably on base for refueling for that, what I was saying, the final top of its cycle. But the total 2 and total 3 and total others are going to be a few steps behind, if not at least one step behind. But the Russell 2000, again, is very important. We want to see expansion here. We want to see a definitive or a demonstrative move that tells the world, hey, we're here for the party. It's not time to shut the music off yet. Now, I've got to ask you the more important question here. What are you going to do with crypto? Like, ultimately, why are you here? And if your answer is only to make more money, then I think you might actually miss the forest for the trees. So if what I'm about to say is helpful, I want you to put a number 3 in the comments and even tell me what's the end game? What's the outcome? Because if you don't focus on the outcome, and call this self-development if you want to, I don't care. But if you don't focus on the outcome, what you're actually trying to achieve, then crypto is really probably going to rob you of a lot of joy and happiness, if I'm being just a realist with you. So just a quick step-by-step of what it takes to actually achieve your dreams and your goals with crypto. Number 1, start with the end in mind. What is it that you want? Do you want to pay off your house? Do you want to go on global travel? Do you want to pay for retirement or educate your children or take care of your elderly parents? What is it that you want? Because if you don't write those things down, it's going to be really amorphous and ambiguous and nebulous, and it's going to be hard for your mind to tether itself to the discipline it takes to be successful. And once you do that, you need to arm that discipline. Arm that reverse engineered goal with a method, with a science, an art at the very least, a framework to make decisions. Because as a crypto investor, your chief executive officer role in your portfolio is to make great decisions. Data-driven information or decision-making is huge and is the key to your success. I say it all the time, and I'll say it again. Crypto literacy skills, market cycle knowledge. If you're this late in the cycle, and I think we're in the 8th inning of the baseball game here, and you're not developing yourself from a crypto literacy perspective and a market cycle knowledge perspective, I think you're playing with fire. And the crazy thing is there's no reason to get burned. Yes, crypto is a financial technology that's here to stay. Wall Street is here. Central banks are here. Governments are here. Strategic reserves are here. Digital asset treasury companies are here. You're going to start seeing asset classes tokenized. You're going to start seeing your own belongings and public information tokenized. You're going to see almost every industry permeated by financial technology. It's going to be here, but the cycles are different. The market is different. It's not enough just to hold on for dear life. So if you want to be a part of a great audience and a great platform and just a great overall optimistic conversation, but you want to become the better version of yourself, make sure you like and follow this profile at Investing Yall Josh Rhodes. That's the only one of mine. Everyone else is an imposter. And if you don't want to be alone on this journey, go to cryptoyall.com and watch my 12-minute overview video. If you like what you see, you can schedule a one-on-one video call with me. Now, please prepare yourself for liftoff. I do believe we're close to the bottom here on this local bottom, and we're getting ready for an incredible vertical ride upwards in the coming months. Fasten your seatbelt, make sure you keep your hands in your lap, and be sure to send this to a friend who is crypto curious. Like and follow for more.